gents, Nibs again, out at the range doing a little plinking, little bit of target shooting. And I thought you guys would really appreciate seeing this new one I just happened to bring home. I just picked it up this afternoon, and it was inoperative, and I got it home and actually got it fixed, and now we're out at the range. Still having a little bit of issue with it feeding perfectly, but we'll get that worked out later on. But it is shooting really nice, and I thought maybe you guys would like to see a couple of groups from this guy. What I have here, let me see here, I can show you first, right? Load it up here. What I have here is a Mossberg model 146B, and this one is the T-bolt handle version, which means this one was made in 1949. Pretty cool. Pretty cool old gun. That had a problem with the bolt. One of the screws was stripped out, and I was able to at least make a temporary repair of it by getting a little bit longer bolt. There was still some good threads down inside the hole, and I was able to get that to secure. It was the little tiny bolt that holds one of the extractors on. Was the hole for that was stripped out, so I had to fix that up. But now it seems to be working pretty good. Having a little bit of problem with the lifter not getting the bullet all the way up where it needs to be, so I'm gonna have to play around with that a little bit more. But for now, really seems to be, not sure what's there. So when I pull it back the first time, it doesn't push it all the way up to the top of the bolt face, but if I move it forward and then pull it back again, it pushes it all the way up. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but for now we'll go ahead and just run it the way it's going. Other than that, it's really working pretty good. Just shooting 25 yards here. I have some of my little 1.5-inch bullseyes out there. This one has a really nice trigger. That one went. So this one, like I said, has a really nice trigger. You know, it isn't match grade Winchester 52 nice, but as far as if anybody have ever shot a Mossberg, it really is pretty nice. There it goes. And it's just a little fidgety still, but we'll get that figured out. I'm not sure what's going on. We'll get it back in the garage and play with some snap caps with it and get that feeding issue figured out. Oop. I didn't have any problems with light striking before. Maybe I got a dud round. Must be. Yeah, it's beating it pretty good, so I don't know what's going on there. But must have just been a come on. It's just the nose is just down low enough. It's catching on the bottom edge of the chamber. Let me see if I can get this other one to actually shoot here. I wonder if that one just didn't have anything, any primer material in it at all. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll just throw that one away. So we'll do another one more group there, but I'll single feed these ones just so we don't have to fiddle around with the feeding mechanism right at the moment. I'm sure it's just a little adjustment that needs to be made. I played around with it back in the garage, but all I had was I did have some snap caps, but I just was using some empty shells to play with the feeding, but I didn't expect it to be doing that. The first one I've ever had that really was goofy like that, so. Boy, what a nice gun though. Get that feeding problem fixed up and be a very nice addition to the collection. Did a couple of little test groups with it before I started up the video, just making sure it was sighted in here. And I had a couple of three-shot groups that were all in one hole, which doesn't surprise me with these Mossbergs at all. Okay, so let me go ahead and pause the video, and I'll go grab that target and bring it back and talk to you about it. Well, that's some good shooting right there, boy. I'll tell you what, that first group opened up a little bit. I'm not sure what was going on there. Probably just me fidgeting around with this feeding mechanism, wasn't really concentrating. But that second group, that's pretty nice, really nice. Basically touching each other. That one is kind of just a little off, but it looks like I put 4 of them into one hole, so pretty happy with that. So there you go. New bring home today. Needs a little bit of tweaking, but overall she's working pretty nice. Shooting really nice. Very nice trigger. Mossberg model 146B. First year edition with the T-bolt handle. Got it for a really good price because it was broken. Actually, the owner, I guess, had called up and told the owner of the gun called up and told the owner of the store to dispose of it. And so the owner asked me if I was interested, and I said, yeah. So I ended up with it, and turned out to be a pretty easy fix. And looks like it's going to be a great addition to the collection. So hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I do post up new videos. Until next time, have a great day.